Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Emoji Micro-Pedi 3D Power Callus Remover with Xtream Corse Soft and Flexible Roller. Alright, so right here we got our Emoji 3D Micro-Pedi Callus Remover. I have gone through several of these ones. This one here is an awesome one because it does come powered, where the other ones are battery operated. This one here is for major repair. This spins at 360 degrees at 30 times per second. It has oscillating, illuminated at 20 times per second. You can see that it does have a cord. This one does come with an included Micro-Pedi Xtream Corse roller. So this one here is a super nice one. So if you have really bad calluses, this one here is recommended to have the Xtream Corse. And you got some little information here on the back. The first thing we're going to do is dive into the box and see what we do get. So this is the new technology which removes calluses twice more efficiently than any previous callus removers. So I did gone and got the other Emoji callus removers. That one is no longer available, so I upgraded to the 3D. This one here, instead of just rolling back and front, it actually rolls side to side, so it gets out all of those calluses for making your feet feel nice and soft. So right here it just tells you how to put the roller in. It tells you about the warnings and the importance of this. So inside this box you also get a power cord, which the power cord is a standard 110. So this one just plugs into the bottom of it. This callus remover does not work unless it is plugged in, because this is a power operated callus remover. You do get the cleaning brush, so you can clean it with this little tiny brush. And then this one here is super tiny. It fits in the hand. It's not too big. It is really nice. So you do get one roller that comes with it. So we're just going to remove it from the package. So this does have a flex porous roller, which is made of microscopic mineral particles, which flexes with the skin for more comfort. It has a spinning at 360 degrees for an amazing 30 times per second, and it oscillates literally at 20 times per second, which is ingenious designs which greatly effectively buffers hard jagged skin on soles and your heels. So you do get a little top to cover it up, so it's got little holes for breathable. So that's what comes with it. And it has flex roller, which is available in 4 versions. You got the sensitive, normal, classic, extra coarse, and you have extreme coarse. So this one here does come with the extreme coarse. So that in mind, with people who have really bad feet, it is recommended to use this extreme coarse. These are super easy to remove. You push this little button and it removes it, so you can replace these. The heads are replaceable, and you don't have to replace the whole head like other callus removers. This one here, you just replace this little piece right here. You can see that it is super coarse. This is the extreme coarse. It's got a lot of these little things right here, so it's more like a rough sandpaper, but not enough to cut your skin. But it is recommended, be careful when using this. So when you slide it in, you got to make sure you light it up right there, push it in, and then it should roll just fine. So now here is the button. You have to push down and push up in order to start it up. So right now we're going to take the power cord, we're going to plug it into the wall, and then I'm going to start it up, and I'm going to let you listen. It is not really loud at all, so I'll just go ahead and plug this in, turn it on, and let you listen to how quiet this is. So not only does it go front to back, it also goes side to side for more removal of callus. As you can see, it's not super loud. It's going back and forth, up and down, so it gets a rotation. So you can see it gets right up in here. So my hands are not really rough or anything, but I'm just going to use it. You can see how it's getting right up in there, and it's moving side to side to make sure it's getting all that extra calluses. You can see right there on the brush itself how much it's gotten off from my hand. My hands are not really dry, so you can just imagine how it is on your heels to remove those extra dead skin calluses. This is a super nice device. I have used Emoji over the years. I've actually tried other brands. I didn't like those ones because most of the time you have to remove the whole entire head to replace it. This one here, you just need to replace the roller. You can see when it's on, it's moving not only front to back, it's moving side to side, making sure that it gets every little crack and crevices of those calluses so you can have some beautiful feet. So this, like I said, it only works when it's powered. This one here is for severe feet. They do offer battery operated ones, so those are just like touch-ups. Would highly recommend checking this one out, especially if you have really super bad calluses. This one is a great machine to check out.